Hey y'all, thanks for watching. So as you can see by the title, this is my first time putting on a lace frontal wig. And so I'm just going to describe what I did and how I feel about this hair. So to begin with, I got this wig from BuLaDou Hair on Amazon. And I have to say, I freaking love this hair. If you are new to lace frontal wigs, I feel like this hair is perfect for you because as you can see, the frontal wig already had baby hairs. Like, I feel like that's one of the best ways to getting your lace frontal to looking natural is having those nice baby hairs. And this wig already had that, so that is a double win in my books. And as you can see, I'm just plucking a part because I like to wear my parts to the side and I like my hair to stay that way. So I decided to pluck some extra hairs to make it a little more natural. Although this hair is customized with the baby hairs already, you can still kind of customize it yourself and, you know, switch the parts or whatever you want to do with it. So now that I have the hair looking the way I want with my part, I'm gonna go ahead and stick that frontal on. So I'm gonna admit, y'all, I was actually pretty nervous doing this for the first time because, you know, lace frontal wigs is that thing you don't want to mess up. But as you can see, I'm using Got To Be glue, and I just kind of went by tutorials I've watched on YouTube. So I heard, don't put it on your baby hairs because you'll lose your edges. So as you can see, I'm just putting it in front of my baby hairs on my big ass forehead. And I did not have a blow dryer, y'all. So after I put this all on my head, I waited, I feel like it was about 15 or 20 minutes for it to get tacky. Like, I kept touching a little bit, but I waited about 15 minutes before I actually stuck the frontal on my head. So now this is me coming back later and sticking it on completely. So the glue was, really tacky. And when I watched other videos, I heard not to press it down with your fingers because, the oil from your hands, I guess, will make the glue come up. Something like that. I don't know. So that's why I'm pressing it down with the edge of, with my rat tail comb to get it to lay flat and not come up. I don't know. I was just trying to follow directions and get the best results that I can. But as you can see, I was pulling it back to see certain areas that weren't sticking. So I did end up adding a little more glue to make sure that it really stayed down. now moving on to the baby hairs, I got this little toothbrush and I put a little bit of Got To Be glue on it and just kind of got it throughout the hair. And then I used the comb side of the, the little edge tool or whatever you call it to kind of comb it into the direction I wanted in. So what I'm doing is I'm brushing it and then I'm combing it. Like, I don't know how to explain it, y'all. I'm sorry, but you can watch. So now what I'm doing is using my wand to press the frontal down to get it to lay flat. I didn't have a hot comb or any tools like that, so I just used what I had, and I would say this actually worked pretty well. It helped it lay flat a little bit more. So now what I'm doing, y'all, you're going to see me moving between the flat iron and the wand because I really didn't know what look I was going for. But what I can say is this hair is super soft. Like, it curls so well. It straightens so well. And I did end up curling it and I wore it like that for a few days. So the frontal actually did stay stuck to my head for about 5 days, and I think that was actually pretty well because I was able, put it in a ponytail, take it down. I was able to pull on it, comb on it, I was able to flat iron it, and it did not come up. So I would say it did, this process did work for me. And when I took it off, my forehead wasn't broken out or anything, and I kind of was worried about that. So don't worry about that. But y'all, on the real, I definitely recommend this wig because it is A1. This is right now my go-to wig. It is so cute. You can really wear it in a lot of different styles. The hair is really soft. It does not shed much. It's all pros in my book. So I did film this video a while ago. So I have worn this hair for a couple of weeks and I can really say that I do like it. So I definitely recommend it. So click the link in my description box and check it out. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank y'all for watching. See you next time.